Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can recover your Genshin Impact account. By recover I mean, let's say you forgot the password of your Genshin Impact account. You can still recover it or change the password into your newer one without remembering your older one. The steps are a bit longer, but watch the video until the end and you guys will able to recover your Genshin Impact account. But before that, if you guys are step, you come into Genshin Impact. To download Genshin Impact, open it just like this. It's gonna ask you to log in into your account, but you can't because you don't remember your password. So you need to click on forget password, and it's gonna take you to the official page of Genshin Impact where you guys can recover your password. So wait for some time until it loads up. Once it loads up, you need to enter your username or email. So I know my email, so I'm gonna enter my email and click on done. Now once you come over here, click on send code. What this is gonna do is this is gonna send a verification code to your email. Now you gotta go to your email and check the verification code sent by Genshin Impact to you. Once you enter the code, click on done and then click on next over here. And once the code is correct, it's gonna take you to the page where you guys can enter your new passport. So enter your new passport over here and enter it again to confirm it at the bottom, and then click on where it says confirm and your passport will be changed. So that's how you guys can recover your Genshin Impact by changing your passport.